Hello, good morning, dear my student. Today we are going to the topic that start Namami Gange and this framework of for river rejuvenation related to development in this Ganga and the recently 2014 to 2015 related to established in the Ganga and framework river to related national river of the Ganga received in the culture and mainly to this basin by sustained by about 45% of our population and related to live in this Ganga river. And then largest and most important by basin in the rich agriculture, biodiversity and lifeline to million and for people. So industrialization of the large abstraction in this virtual agriculture and then challenge for quality of the water and we follow. So we need to the rejuvenate Ganga ecosystem for our good were related to several attempts by this made and Namami Gange most comprehensive showing the result of this laying down in the foundation of the river rejuvenation in the country. So, dear student, this paragraph said that Namami Gange and scheme they launched the 2014 to 15 related to this national river Ganga to culture mandate sustains the about 40% population and live in this river of Ganga. But largest important by basin in the agriculture and biodiversity and lifeline the for millions. So related to the urbanization, industrialization, and large abstraction. There is a theory important the point and the water agriculture depend on this challenge. But the quality of this level and the follow this you need to this rejuvenated Ganga for ecosystem and good agriculture attempt by this made and Namami Gange is most comprehensive, one of which is the source results and then laying by ground function and Ravi river rejuvenation in the country for development in the country river of Ganga. But Ganga is the was launched in the 2014 to 15 rejuvenation of the Ganga and the tributary in this achieved funding by the 12,000 crore. But National Mission for Clean the Ganga NMCA National Mission for Clean Ganga NMCG National Mission Clean Ganga and implementation by the agency, but backed by this Ganga River Basin Management Plan by construction by the I7 IITS, but holistic multiple sector, multi-agency by the multi-level approach, forward by categories, population abstraction, Nimral Ganga, improving the follow ecosystem. Aravali Ganga, a strengthening policy river connected to Jan Ganga and research knowledge of the management Gyan Ganga. Unlike the provision effected by the limited to this clearing the and selected by the city investments, followed by river center. In this basin-based approach, the comprehensive rejuvenations. This paragraph then said that Namami Gange was launched in this 2014 to 2015 and rejuvenation of the Ganga and the total funding by the related to 2000 crore National Mission for Clean Ganga implements by the agency. There are four types of the agency, but Ganga River Basin Management Plan by the connected the seven IT sector, but holistic by multiple sector agency, multiple level approach, a four board categories. First, population absentment Namami Ganga and improving housing ecology Aravali Ganga, strengthening people river Gyan Ganga, research knowledge management Gyan Ganga, unlike provision affected related to the limit of the clearing the Ganga and the effect by the nation related to the innovations and Ganga Center to basin related approach by this comprehension and development and clean water in this Ganga river. So important by the topic related to improving the governance and empowering by the institution. And next, dear student, improving the governance and empowering by the institution. So many major policy decision and the government by notified the NMCG related to authority by the EP Act 1886. 1986 related to by the power the institution lead by down the fundamental principle of the comprehensive framework the rejuvenation and related to the river of the Ganga basin. That's why the approach of the no considered by the model of the application of the rejuvenation of the other river in the country. In this integrated by river, tribals, well-tend, food plants, a spring, and a small river are single the system and integrated by the administrative structure of the national district level faculty shared by vision coverage by effective of the implementation. So innovation by the people. This paragraph said that dear student and government by the apply the authority to under Act 1986 related to this environment, institution, empowerment. But it is down the fundamental by the principle related to comprehension the framework, rejuvenation for the Ganga basin and different types of approach considered by the approach and application rejuvenation. And then food plants spring in the small river single system related to administrative structure for national to district level and faculties shared by the vision and then after effective to the implementation of the involvement of the people. So total last 355 projects to have been sanctioned by the under the Namami Gange related to the 29.578 crore. Out of these 142 projects by the completed in this removing the under. Four main part Nirmal Ganga, Aravali Ganga, Jan Ganga, Gyan Ganga. It is a very important the part. For do you related to the Nirmal Ganga population abandonment and Aravali Ganga implemented by the social and follow Jan Ganga strength the population river of the connected Gyan Ganga related to the faculty of this waste of the quality holistics. But dear students, this line said paragraph said that total expenditure of the money and the 97 195.62 crore from the 2014 till in the February 2021, but more than double. And compared to this, in 1985 to 86 related to 2014, and this double expend the money. And figure 1.3 is show. And then population trend means Nirmal Ganga. Abandonment Nirmal Ganga, total that 156 sewage infrastructure of the project related to this section of the created by this 480 4856 MLD treatment by the capacity of the Ganga basin in 2014, but 28 project by the existent by the only the 462.85 MLD. Figure the fourth indicated by the selling affected by bridge, part of the gap between the sewage generation, treatment by the capacity, and create acute by capacity of 15 years. These lines added Nirmal Ganga related to the project 156 project. In France, structure of this essential by certain the 486 MLD treatment by the capacity, and the Ganga was basin in the 2014 and related to the 28 project extended by the only 482.85 MLD. But figure indicated by the selling of this effected of the bridge past gap between the sewage generation and treatment, so acute by the capacity of this 15 years. And then Namami Ganga introduced by the PPP, Triple P of the sewage infrastructure of the first time in India. High bridge Antony mode HAM 40% caps by being the pad during the construction of the 60%. So interesting by the 50 years and separate by the payment. So maintenance of this burning Pradhin by shift of the payment, construction performance, linked payment, one of the city operation, approach, asset, etc. It is a very important in this develop clean the Ganga. And then Nirmal Ganga. So Nirmal Ganga thinks that maintenance by this beginning the payment of the construction for performed by the one city one operate. So all HAM improving by the governance introduced. This is the new Niti Ayog, and state by outside the Ganga basin have been also started the using. Project have been taken upon the for comprehensive plan to all 97 cities and towns along the Ganga, including by the revalidation of the upgradation in the world plan of the condition assessment. So related to the by the project of the tribute by the have been also started to measure drain filling by the Ganga have to inter repeated by the division. To HTP all project by the Ganga have been completed to Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and project by the Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi and the Ganga town to Uttar Pradesh have been the completed. Improvement by the quality of the water established in the thought by monitoring the visible to people Kumbh in the example. This paragraph said that Uttarakhand वाराणसी, उत्तर प्रदेश, झारखंड, Varanasi, Kanpur, Prayagraj. It is cleaned by water improvement by the quality of the water establishment and related to the recently Kub and the example. So what annual inspiration of the gradually by populating by the industry. So institution of the online monitoring. Yes, some experts said that any types of the annual inspection by the globally population industry and experts said that institution online monitoring the process by the improvement related to this common effect by the treatment plant and halt by the industrial by population related to improvement section of Ghat stopping. So river surface water clearing in the improving the process of capacity ULB in have been help 4500 Ganga gram of ODF. And next important topic this Aravali Ganga. Improvement in follow and ecology. Ecology and follow. This paragraph said that the holistic notification of the ecological follow the river Ganga October 2018. But some Aravali Ganga diminution by the protection of the food plain, protected by the conservation of the wetland capacity. Food plain and urban wetland related to by a small river rejuvenation project and under the implementation of the suitable by the agriculture. So burning promoted by the organic farming and eco agriculture and the medical population and this improving by water efficiency. So these paragraphs are related to the river Ganga in the October 2018 burn a week by set up the Aravali Ganga. So project by the food plan and protecting by the conservation wetland by capacity of this wetlanded. So river rejuvenation project by under implementation. So suitable by the agriculture but promoted by the third organic by the farming. So ecosystem and medicine by the plantation of the improving water efficiency. Next point. People river connected the Jan Ganga. What do you know about the Jan Ganga? Unlike the provision effected by the Jan Bhagidari, is recently by the mission Ravi river found by the improving the keep clean. For more than 50 ghat of the care motor in the river being constructed improving. So transformation of the ghat from dirty beautiful river become the talking group of the participation. So dedicated of the Ganga of the river working of the community by awareness they are imparted skill to improving by the livelihood the linking the conversation of the biodiversity and river. I related to by this several innovative by public outreach activity to Ganga Quest Queues and related to this Ganga www.gangaqueues.com. Expenditure by the Ganga Run Ganga Utrace etc. conducted by the thought out. So related to the category motivated related to value nets and people helping the behavior the Ganga change of the transformation the program in Jan Andolan. So research policy knowledge management of the Gyan Ganga. What do you say that the Gyan Ganga policy? Gyan Ganga policy said that central to the Ganga management, a study was set up the IIT Kanpur. So a long-term the basin study technology development. So mapping by the different leader of the mapping of the high resolution Dame GIS ready. Debated to by many by the raping the micro global diversity of the federal by biodiversity. So should be by the acute by the hard evidence based on their decision. So unqueued by the culture of the mapping of the natural. Viewed by the integrity by the heritage of the protection of the for development and tourism heritage traditional livelihood opportunity different types of the available the opportunity but planning of the river cities maintains by the river health in the urban planning national framework by the reduced target of the water waste water to the bring the formulated Namami Gange is new leading by the development of the Art Ganga. Art Ganga was related to linking by the economic development and Ganga basin with the ecology improving and Ganga rejuvenations. Thank you.